This is the Retro Populator. It's a kit for retrofitting 3D printers to turn them into electronics pick-and-place machines. The motivation is basically that electronics assembly of surface mount boards is extremely tedious. You have to take tiny parts like these 0603 caps and move them from component tapes onto boards. And this is very tedious and requires good eyesight and good hand-eye coordination. And if you're going to do more than a couple boards, it just is mind-blowing. Yet if you go to pay industry to do it, unless you're going to do about 500 boards, the setup costs just cost so much money that it doesn't work. You're unwilling to pay. So, thus the desire to have a kit for hobbyists to use. The kit basically consists of 3 parts plus software. The main part is this main board. It's a pegboard that holds the boards in place using those 3D printed cam locks. Plus there's component tapes that actually hold the tapes in place. Then there's a retrofit for the extruder. Basically you mount this and it has a vacuum nozzle on it. The third piece is hard to see, but there's a mechanism back in here which makes the Z-axis re-zero work better because the vacuum nozzle is quite a bit lower down than the extruder nozzle. Then there's the software, which basically takes Eagle board files, and then this YAML config file where you specify which components are present in which tape locations, as well as where your boards are located. It takes those two things, parses them in a G-code that actually does the pick and place, and you can actually watch in a previous video boards being populated from multiple tapes to multiple boards. We have that functional already. In version 2, we intend to add the ability to rotate parts, and in version 3 we want to add an extra nozzle here that would have solder paste in it so that it could also do solder paste dispensing. All of our design files will be open source, and we are going to run a Kickstarter. If you think our project is cool, please vote for us in the Hackaday contest. Thanks.